Hi everyone and welcome back. A new video. Today we are going to talk about table variable in SQL Server. The table variable in SQL Server stores a set of records like tables, and table variables are the best alternative to temporary tables like local variables. This variable scope is limited to user-defined functions or stored procedures. The table variable is very fast when compared to temporary ones, and it is recommended to use this for less amount of data. The syntax of the table variable is similar to the create statement. Okay, so let's see together. This syntax. Data type, the size, and we can specify if the colon is null or it's not null. Okay, so as you can see here, multiple columns. Okay, etc. and like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is how to create a variable table in SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so we are going to create a variable table as an example. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm going to do some changes. So the variable table is with the name department. Okay, so our variable table is composing by 4 columns, as you can see here. So the department ID is identity 11, name, group name, fight date. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, now let's insert some data into this table. Okay, okay, let's use some of those values. Okay, Now, this is the first row. Okay. Now, let's insert the second one is support IT. Okay. This one, the name of the department is support. Okay. We have made some changes here. Human resources. As you can see here, HR, and let's change, for example, the date. Okay. Okay. Also, I'm going to add the select statement from this one. Okay. Let us execute all the queries. As you can see now, we have the output, which is composing by 4 columns. Okay. Okay, so you have to know that you don't need any delete or drop statement to drop this. Database engine will automatically delete when it exists from the scope. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification button, like button, and leave a comment with your feedback and what you want to see in next videos. Thank you all for watching this video again. See you. Bye for now.